Crackberry.com.
Hi, this is James from Crackberry.com, and no, I'm not getting desperate in my old age. We are featuring a Jigsaw application for BlackBerry 10. One, because it's pretty darn awesome, and two, it looks fantastic on the passport. It's pure coincidence that this background is the same colour as the table, but I digress. So essentially we've got some jigsaw puzzles we can play here. There are options to purchase more. This is an Android application, so let's select one. We've then got various options within that category. If I zoom in here, you should be able to see, hopefully if that comes to focus, that we can actually alter the amount of pieces in the jigsaw puzzle. So that one's gone up to 400, which I don't stand a chance of. We're going to stick with 25 for this particular one, just as a demonstration. We click play. That's what the picture should look like, and here we go. So it's just a case, obviously, of rearranging the pieces to fit into place. Once one's in the right place, like this one will be now, it gives you a little click, so you know you're in the right place. Now, I'm not very good at jigsaw puzzles, and but practice makes perfect. And as you can see, we've got some nice background music as well. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to turn it up for you. But because of the square screen on the BlackBerry Passport, this puzzle looks particularly good, if you ask me. There are various options. We can jump back into some other puzzles. So let's have a look at one with 400 pieces, just for fun. It's taking a bit longer to load this one. There we go. I've got no chance. In fact, you'd probably need some kind of very thin stylus to achieve that one. But that's just a very quick look at the game. If it looks like your cup of tea, you can check out the link below where you can download this one for free. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.